Okay, let's go back to the letter. And I need you now just to tell me or to say this thing, which is we were going to have what? Ali, can you hear me?
Too much كأنها
Yes,
doctor.
can you repeat
Too much.
us? Sorry, the connection is bad. A bit low.
What is this word?
What do I read? What do
Please.
you want me to read? The
This one.
sentence?
Let me
We
circle
are
the
going
word.
to have so much fun.
We are going to have too much.
We are going to have so much fun.
We are going to have too much fun. Too like this. Is it what you meant? Guys, can you hear me clearly? Is my voice lagging?
Yes, yes,
No,
doctor.
it's not.
Yes,
No,
doctor.
it's not. No, to me, no, it's not. I hear you clearly. I hear you
What?
clearly.
What about the others?
Now I hear you.
Okay. If you can hear me, please, Ali, I need you just to tell me this word again. So we said because I
Yeah.
graduated and we were going to have what? Too much fun?
We are going to have so much fun.
So, we are going to
We
have
can say two. Yeah. We
No.
are going to have too much fun.
two, not so, exactly. We are going to have too much fun. We are going to dance.
شو معناتها ما بنفهمها؟
You have to use a comma here, am I right? Can you hear me, Ali? Okay, guys, I suggest to delay the meeting because the connection is unstable and we cannot complete like this. So guys, I know, but as I told you that the internet today is really bad, and not only your class, but also the rest of the classes that I had today had the same problem. So,
We can hear you clearly, doctor.
okay.
Doctor, your
Okay.
voice is clear. It's clear.
Okay,
There
let
is
me
no
complete.
problem.
Ali, can you hear me? Okay, so notice, guys, Ali that commit a mistake, which is he said we were going to, and then he said we are going to dance. This is in the past continuous. This is in the present continuous. This is something new. Because it's something new, guys, Ali should write a full stop and he should capitalize the first letter, which is W. We are going to dance. There is too much challenges.
Doctor, maybe Ali قصده the and we are going, not we're going in the first one.
We are
Apostrophe
going to,
RE يمكن قصده we are going on.
we
Yes,
are we are
yes.
صح we are going to have
ما
so much
حطش
fun. Like
الابوستروف
Tariq said.
لانه مكمل ار كله.
Okay, so we are going to have too much fun and we are going to. Guys, this is repetition. We are going to, we are going to. Notice that we are going to, we are going to. To avoid that, you can say we are going to have too much fun and to dance there. There is too much challenges, too much.
There is too much challenge
Please.
and reward
Okay.
like racing.
Now the
For
question.
rewards, I mean.
Okay. The question is challenges and rewards countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Is rewards uncountable now?
I mean countable.
Because it is countable. What shall I write here?
Many
challenges and rewards. Like racing. You have to write a space between like and racing. Okay. Now, The party is going to be. Please, guys, there should be a space, a space, a space, a space. The party is going to be at my house. Is the proposition, guys, at here correct?
In my house.
This is proposition mistake.
In my house.
I have to say
In my house
exactly.
In my house.
You can say at home if you want. So
at
the
7
party-
p.m.
No, at 7. Okay, this is a mistake. Guys, if you want to mention the time, AM or PM, you have two choices. You can capitalize the AM or PM without writing any full stops, or you can write them in a small letter, but two full stops should be inserted. The one full stop is between the A and M. The second one is after M. Is it clear? Again, if you want to mention the time by writing PM or AM, you have two solutions or two choices. One, if you want to capitalize the AM or PM, you don't have to write any full stop. But if you want to write it in a small letter, two full stops should be written. The first one is between the A and M. The second one should be written after M like this. Okay? This is number one. Number two, if you
Okay,
want,
doctor.
if you want to mention the time, don't mention only the hour, like 7. Mention the minutes. Even if it is exactly 7, mention the minutes, write 7 like this.
700 يعني
Please.
700.
Please. Okay? So guys, this is extremely important in writing the time, please. So, in my house at 7 p.m., about the way you can go on the highway, without T you mean, highway? About the way you can go on the highway. What? What is until? Is it until?
Until غلط بس بدهاش إيه وهون
Until you see the
Until you
station.
see the station. What? What is this?
Amana is the name of that
Name,
station.
capitalize the first letter. Please. Amana. Okay. My father will
Yeah, sorry. I didn't.
will be waiting. Amazing. This is the future. Continuous. My father will be waiting. I loved it. My father will be waiting. You will be waiting for you. Am I right? This is a proposition.
Will be waiting. My father will be waiting you there, and you can follow him to home.
Exactly. But if you want to use the verb wait, Ali, the preposition should be used is for. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
So my father will be waiting for you there, and you can follow him home, not to home. Don't use any preposition with home. This is another preposition mistake. Waiting you answer. Please, guys, don't use phrases. Please try to use or write complete sentences. I am waiting for your response. Okay? This is, please. Okay, guys?
Okay, doctor.
Okay. And you said your friend. But why did you write your friend in the right side, not in the left side? So guys, the closing statement, this is not a closing statement, by the way. The closing statement should be, see you again, see you soon, write to me soon.
I wanted to write see you soon, but I said that you don't know if you will accept it or no. This is why I said
closing statement. This is a final statement. This is not closing statement. Okay. And then if you want to say your friend, you have to write your name and your friend whom? Ali. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Okay, so this is the first letter. Now I think it's the time to check the next letter. No, not like this. This is the second letter. Let me open it. Now let's apply the things that we have discussed earlier just to check. Holy God, what's this? This is really bad handwriting. What is this? Please help me, guys. This is for
Like
For me.
doctors, like doctors
Muhammad?
writing.
Yes.
Please. Please. Rewrite your letter and we have to correct it later, okay? Guys,
Okay, I will send it again.
oh, please. The
Are you
handwriting.
doctor, medical?
Yes, he is. Yeah, I'm not joking. I'm not joking. I think you are a doctor.
Okay,
Aren't
it's
you?
the truth. It's the fact.
Okay, please. Please. Guys, the handwriting should be written clearly. Your writing should be understandable, comprehensible. And please, I'm
Doctor,
sorry.
did you see my letter?
I'm trying to check. I'm trying to check them one by one. Holy God, this is a good handwriting. To be honest, the best handwriting is for Hanadi. Okay. This is for Ibrahim. Okay.
Yes.
By the way, your handwriting is acceptable. Thank you, God. Okay. Thank you so much, Ibrahim, because you wrote the address plus the date, Thursday, 13 August. Is it a slash or comma?
No, comma.
By the way, guys, if you are writing in for an informal letter, you can use the comma. But please, with writing the formal, you have to write slashes to separate days, months from years. Okay, south of Lebanon. Okay, this is the title. Notice, guys, that he skipped a line. Then he wrote the opening statement. He wrote a comma. Then he skipped a line again. That's amazing. Hi, Ahmed. Thank you so much. Because, guys, hi is informal and hello is formal. So, hi, Ahmed. He skipped a line. Now he started to talk about the first paragraph. How are you? That's amazing. Because it is the beginning of new sentence, the I should be capitalized.
Yes.
It has been a long time, not long time. It has been a long time since we met here in Lebanon. Amazing. I loved it. Full stop. It was a marvelous holiday. Full stop. Amazing. He skipped a line because he wanted to start mentioning new ideas in a new paragraph. So this is why he skipped a line and he started writing the second one. First of all, I loved it. This is conjunction. This is exactly what you have to do just to make your writing flow and just to connect your words and sentences. I loved it. First of all, firstly, the first step, the first thing I want to mention, comma. Thanks for the kind invitation to visit Egypt, full stop. Do you know that it is one of my favorite countries? Amazing question mark. I was so excited and waiting. I was so excited and I was waiting for a visit.
And waiting.
Waiting
Is
for.
it wrong?
Yeah,
For
waiting
visit.
for, exactly. But after waiting for, you have to use verb ing.
Visiting.
Yeah, I was so excited and I was waiting for visiting pyramids. Okay? So I was waiting for visiting pyramids and Sphinx and other monuments like Abu Simbel. Amazing. Holy God. Like Abu Holi. Okay, thank you so much. So this is it. This is the first paragraph. So notice that he skipped a line. And guys, this is what? This is what, Brian?
Full stop.
Why two full stops?
Because it's the end of the first, the second paragraph.
So you have to write only full stop.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, now the second or the third paragraph.
There are two. Yeah.
So this is punctuation mark.
Yes.
mistake.
Yes.
So this is a new paragraph about a new idea. My friend, comma, okay. You are calling the friend.
Small
Um,
letter. Small
mm,
letter.
mhm. My friend, I'm sorry to tell you that I wasn't able to visit your country this holiday. Amazing, full stop. Because it is the beginning, you have to write the you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mhm.
You know, my dad had many heart attacks
Heart.
last year. Amazing. Come on. And his doctor decided to put him under what?
Critical.
Critical surgery. Critical
Yes.
or
Harija.
crucial? Crucial, you mean crucial?
Crucial.
Uh-huh. Is it what you meant?
I read it before that
Critical?
critical like خطرة أو حرجة.
Yeah,
I
amazing.
don't know
Okay. Mm.
if is it okay.
Yes. And his doctor decided. So notice, guys, that he used the simple past. Thank you for the correct using of the simple past to put him under critical surgery, full stop. So, comma, I have to stay by his side, looking after him until recovering. Holy God, I loved it. Thank you. Now let me read the next paragraph. Anyway, okay, comma. What about spring holiday? Full stop. Question mark. This is a question.
Yes.
We have more.
Yes.
We have more day.
More no, more
Uh,
more days.
Okay.
More
We have
days,
more
yes,
days
better.
and more beautiful.
Weather.
Yeah. Okay. We have more days and more beautiful weather.
No, I think it's not suitable.
Do you think that using better is better?
Yes.
Can I say that the weather is
Better
going
weather.
to be better, for example? Yeah, I
Yes,
think it's better
yes.
for more beautiful weather.
Yes.
Okay. Waiting for your reply. Full stop. Because this
Yes.
is the final statement, not a closing
Yes.
sentence. Yours what?
Ibrahim.
Yeah, but yours faithfully, yours truly. You have to, I cannot say only yours.
Alone.
Exactly. Yours faithfully is correct. Yours truly is correct. Okay. Ibrahim, and thank you so much. Now this is the full stop. But if absolutely this is a comma because this is a closing statement, and you wrote only your first name because this is informal letter. Yeah, amazing. Thank you so much, Ibrahim. I loved it. Okay. I think we still have time just to check the next letter. Let's try to do it. This is for you. This is for whom? Hanadi. Is that yours?
Yes, teacher.
Holy God, this handwriting is really amazing. I loved it. Thank you so much.
Thank
Absolutely,
you.
guys. You have to write in a good